Hey, how's it going? If you've ever felt that sting of disappointment when a game drops frames or your creative work sputters, stick with me for a moment, because the Legion Tower 5i changes that feeling completely. You're the kind of person who doesn't settle for okay. You recognize quality when you see it, and once you feel this level of performance every single day, everything else feels underwhelming. Before we go further, take a second to check the latest price and stock. Machines like this don't stay predictable for long. You knew it was time for an upgrade the moment your old rig sounded like a jet engine under load. You'd start a heavy render or jump into a demanding game, and the hesitation, the stutter, the heat spikes, you just accepted them as normal. But you weren't meant to settle in the compromise phase. Switching to the Legion Tower 5i feels like stepping out of a cramped room into a wide open space. That first time you launch something heavy and it just moves, you feel a kind of relief that's almost emotional. It's not just performance, it's confidence restored. You sit down knowing the machine isn't going to beg for mercy halfway through a task. I use this every day for everything from intense gaming sessions that push ray tracing to the limit, to looping massive creative projects in the background while I juggle multiple apps on triple screens. The Intel Core Ultra 7 handles every thread with a cool calm, and the RTX 5070 graphics power visuals that feel alive, not pixelated and cramped. When you're in that game world or deep into editing, the machine just fades into the background. You're not wrestling with technology anymore. And it's not just speed, it's smoothness, the sense that your hardware is always a step ahead. You feel it when animation previews render fast enough you actually get into a rhythm. You feel it when new releases run maxed out without hesitation. It's that sensation of headroom, that confidence that whatever you try next, the system is already ready. If you're pacing around impatiently waiting on price drops or stock shifts, flip that thought around. Don't let uncertainty be the thing that holds you back from owning something this capable. You might wonder if a tower this powerful will be loud or overkill. Doubt gets reshaped fast once you hear how composed it stays under load and see how much time you save waiting on tasks that used to drag. The real surprise benefit is how much more present you're in what you're doing because you're not watching progress bars anymore. Owning a rig at this level changes how you feel about your time and your creativity. You stop comparing alternatives. You stop saying maybe next time. You feel proud every time you sit down at your desk. Performance that exceeds expectations, responsiveness that keeps you in flow, thermals that stay calm under pressure, visuals that draw you deeper into your worlds, a setup that just feels intentional. It's not the cheapest machine available and you'll want quality peripherals to match, but at some point you just choose the thing you already wanted, and every weaker option starts to look like a step sideways, not forward. Don't let this be the upgrade you delay and regret later. If you're ready to stop negotiating with your hardware and start enjoying every session, check availability now and see if the Legion Tower 5i is waiting for you.